Welcome to AI Discovery Channel. Join us today as we show you how to unlock the power of ChatGPT in order to transform your earning potential and life projection. In this video, we'll show you how to create completely original content in the niche that you're passionate about, putting you one step ahead of the competition. Please make sure to watch till the end, where we will reveal 9 easy ways to monetize your newly created content. Like any tool, it is essential to know how to use ChatGPT properly. We have put a link at the end of this video to another video showing some best practices necessary to get the most out of ChatGPT. Please make sure to watch it so you can maximize the effectiveness of ChatGPT going forward. Let's begin. 1. Choosing a niche. Choose a specific niche or topic that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Selecting a niche that has an audience or market demand is also crucial. We are going to focus on writing a blog as an example, but you can use these same techniques to write a short book, compose a song, write an article, etc. The possibilities are endless. 2. Content creation. Generate ideas. Start by brainstorming content ideas related to your niche. You can use ChatGPT to suggest topics, keywords, or angles for your content. GPT input example. Command. Can you suggest some content ideas for a travel blog? Response. Sure, how about top 10 hidden gems in Southeast Asia, or a backpacker's guide to Europe on a budget? Content research. Once you have finalized the content idea that you want to focus on, ChatGPT can help you gather information and facts on that particular subject. It can provide you with insights, statistics, or historical data to enrich your content. GPT input example. Command. Please provide information about the history of artificial intelligence. Response. Artificial intelligence, AI, has a rich history dating back to the 1950s. Do this until you have adequate content for your project. Content outlining. Use ChatGPT to outline your content by asking it to generate a structure or key points for your article, video, or podcast. GPT input example. Command. Outline the key points for an article on healthy eating habits on the basis of the research we have just done. Response. 1. Introduction, 2. Benefits of healthy eating, 3. Tips for a balanced diet, 4. Healthy recipes, 5. Conclusion. Drafting. While ChatGPT can assist in drafting content, it's crucial to use it as a writing tool rather than relying entirely on it. Use ChatGPT to create the drafts on all of your content outline headers, then refine, edit, and improve what it has created manually. This ensures that your content remains original and reflects your unique voice. GPT input example. Command. Write a paragraph about the importance of cybersecurity. Response. Cybersecurity plays a crucial role in safeguarding sensitive data and ensuring the privacy of individuals and organizations. Once you have the material it creates, read through it and make any necessary changes to improve it and put your original creator seal on it. SEO optimization. Ask ChatGPT for suggestions on optimizing your content for search engines. It can help you with keyword research, meta descriptions, and title ideas. This is crucial for any content that you will be posting online, as it will massively increase the likelihood of it being seen by end users. GPT input example. Command. Help me with SEO suggestions for a blog post on home gardening. Response. Consider using keywords like organic gardening tips, gardening for beginners, and best practices for home gardens in your content. You would then need to add the keywords suggested to your blog or article. Content improvement. Once you have done all of these steps and have a rough draft of the whole project, you can ask ChatGPT to review and improve your work. GPT input example. Command. Review my blog post on digital marketing and suggest improvements. Response. Your blog post on digital marketing looks great. Consider adding more examples and case studies to illustrate key points. You can then make the suggested improvements if you wish to do so. And there you have it, a very well-polished piece of original content done with very little exertion. If you are finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. As promised, here are 9 ways to monetize your newly created content. 1. Advertising. Implement display ads on your website. Google AdSense is a popular choice for website monetization. You earn revenue based on ad impressions and clicks. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote relevant products or services within your content using affiliate links. You'll earn a commission for each sale or referral generated through your unique affiliate links. 3. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands in your niche to create sponsored posts, videos, or articles. Brands pay you for promoting their products or services to your audience. 4. Subscription models. Offer premium content or a membership program. Subscribers pay a fee for access to exclusive content, community forums, or other perks. 5. Merchandise. Create and sell branded merchandise, such as clothing, mugs, or posters, related to your niche. Platforms like Printful or Teespring can help you set up an online store. 6. Digital products. If you're an expert in your niche, create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, guides, or templates. 7. Consulting or coaching. If you're knowledgeable in your field, offer one-on-one coaching or consulting services to your audience for a fee. 8. Donations and crowdfunding. Invite your audience to support your content through voluntary donations on platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi. 9. Become a paid content creator. Use your newly found skills to become an article writer, script writer, book author, etc. The list of earning opportunities is endless. In summary, it is evident that the potential offered by this innovative technology opens up numerous avenues for us to harness on our journey toward achieving our aspirations. What we have outlined here is just the tip of the iceberg. Think outside the box and utilize this technology in a way that others haven't thought of in order to fully take advantage of this new frontier. Please click the link on the screen now for the video we mentioned earlier about best practices necessary to get the most out of ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.